Hello, this is Lee Jun-hyuk from New Beginnings. In this session, we will continue from the last session by connecting the ESP-01 to the Arduino, and then we will connect and use the Internet of Things platform called Blynk. Let me explain it to you while looking at Blynk right away. First, to use Blynk, you need to install the mobile app. Here, I will explain based on Android, but you can also search for Blynk in the Apple Store or App Store on an iPhone to install it. Search for Blynk, Blynk, and you will see Blynk appear in the search results. Click on Install to install it. Once the installation is complete, run the app. For first-time users, a login and sign-up screen will appear. You can log in with your Facebook account as well. If you don't have an account, you can either create a new account or log in with Facebook. If you have a Facebook account, create your account and log in. After logging in, you will see a screen like this. There are options for creating a project, app-related information, and community. What we need to look at is New Project. If you don't have any projects initially, New Project will appear. Click on it. Now, let's create a project. To create a Blynk project, since we are using an Arduino Uno, click on the ESP-8266 section and select Arduino Uno. For the project name, I'll just call it Hello Blynk. For Wi-Fi, if you click here, various connection methods will appear, but since we are using Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi. If you prefer a light theme instead of a dark theme, you can switch to light by clicking on it. After selecting dark and clicking Create, a notification will appear saying that the token has been sent to the email account you registered with during sign-up. Remember this accurately, and we will check it again in the email later. Click OK, and then what Blynk is a platform where you add the widgets you want to the dashboard and use them to control IoT devices. Here, if you click on the blank space or the plus button, there are several widgets you can add. Here, I will briefly explain only the button-related part. When you press the button, a button is added to the screen. In this state, you can click the button to configure it. There will be an Arduino pin you want to control with this button. When you click the pin, you will see options for digital and analog, but I will use digital to blink the default LED. So, select pin 13 and click OK. Then, if you click the button type, you can choose between a push button, which activates when pressed and deactivates when released, or a switch, which toggles on and off with each press. I will use it as a switch so that pin 13 turns on when the button is pressed and off when pressed again. Once all the settings are done, you can press the back button. Once everything is completely set up and the Arduino is fully configured, you can press the Run button located at the top right corner. I will do that after I finish configuring the Arduino. First, please navigate to the following link in your web browser. By going to the following link, you can download the Blynk Arduino library. As of now, version 0.6.1 is available. Here you can see the Blynk release 0.6.1 and a compressed file. Please click on it to download. Once the file is downloaded, please extract the downloaded compressed file. When you unzip it, you will find folders named Libraries and Tools inside. Copy all the contents from the Libraries folder. After copying, you will find the Arduino folder in your documents. For Windows users, it is located in the My Documents folder, and for Mac users, it is also in the Documents folder. Then, inside the Arduino folder, there is a Libraries folder please copy the libraries you have here into that folder. Replace the existing libraries, then copy the tools folder as it is and paste it into the Arduino folder. After copying, run Arduino. In Arduino, if you look at the file examples, you will see that Blynk has been added. Blynk is a platform with iOS and Android apps to control Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and the like over the internet. In Blynk, under Blynk Wi-Fi, there is an ESP-8266 shield. Click on it. Since we will be modifying this code, select all, copy it, and paste it here. Close it and save it in advance. Save it, and since it is inconvenient to view, let's remove the comment section for now. Then, at the top, there is a part where you enter the auth token. This is the token that was sent to your email after creating the Blynk project. Open your email and you will see an email from Blynk with the auth token. Drag and copy it, then paste it where the auth token is. Next, enter the Wi-Fi information for the SSID you will connect to. The SSID is the name of the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Then, there are parts related to serial communication. If you are using Arduino Mega, Leonardo, or Micro, connect the ESP-01 to the corresponding pin using serial 1. Since we are connecting to Arduino Uno, comment out this part and uncomment the software serial part. We connected TXT and RSD to pins 6 and 7, so the hardware connection is the same as before. For the baud rate, set it to 9600 as we did last time, instead of 11-15-200. The baud rate is the speed at which data is transmitted over a communication channel. There are no other parts to modify. Upload this to the Arduino connected to the ESP-01. Once the upload is complete, run the serial monitor. When you run the serial monitor, it will show that it is attempting to connect to Wi-Fi. Wait until it connects to Wi-Fi, gets an IP address, and shows that it is connected. It will then display ready with a ping. This means our Arduino is connected to the Blynk server. Leave it as it is and return to the app. On the Arduino side, there is a built-in LED labeled L on the Uno, connected to pin 13. In the Blynk project, we connected pin 13 to a button. Now, let's use Blynk to turn this LED on and off. Return to the Blynk project and press the Run button at the top right. This means the Blynk project is now running properly. Blynk allows you to create amazing Internet of Things, IoT applications in minutes. It is a new platform that allows you to quickly build interfaces for controlling and monitoring your hardware projects from your iOS and Android device. Blynk is not tied to some specific board or shield. Instead, it's supporting hardware of your choice. Whether your Arduino or Raspberry Pi is linked to the Internet over Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or even through GSM, Blynk will get you online and ready for the Internet of your things. Blynk was designed for the Internet of Things. It can control hardware remotely. It can display sensor data. It can store data, visualize it, and do many other cool things. In this state, if you click on the Arduino icon here, you can currently see the device information that is connected to the current project program. It shows that one device is connected right now, and the Arduino I am using to film this video is currently connected. In this state, if I click the off button to change it to on, the LED lights up on the screen, and if I press on again, it changes to off and the LED turns off. In this way, you can easily and efficiently create an Internet of Things project using Blynk and ESP-01. This time we connected the ESP-01 to the Arduino and used Blynk. Although we only made a basic LED Blynk this time, you can actually connect various and different electronic components to the Arduino and control them using Blynk as demonstrated today. Next time, I will connect other various electronic components to the Arduino and control them with Blynk. See you next time.